In this project, I'm going to show you the experiment light sensor and touch sensor combination for LED. It means we are using two sensors at a time to turn on LED. Now, let's take the light sensor first. Let's use the touch sensor. And now LED module. What we have to do? We have to take the signal from light sensor and we must give it to this touch sensor. From touch sensor, we have to give the signal again to LED module. It means when light sensor is turned on and touch sensor is turned on, then only LED module will turn on. If light sensor is off and touch sensor is on, then LED won't turn up. If light sensor is on and touch sensor is off, then also LED module will not going to turn on. Only if both the sensor turns on, then only LED module will turn on. Let's check. Let's give the correction. First pin positive of light sensor to the positive of battery. Negative of light sensor, that is third pin of light sensor to the negative of battery. Signal pin, that is second pin of light sensor. To the positive pin of touch sensor, that is first pin of touch sensor. From the second pin, let's take the output to the positive of LED. I am using red LED here. To close the circuit, let's connect the negative of LED to the negative of battery. Now, light sensor is on because lights are falling onto the light sensor. Now, when it touches the touch sensor, LED is turned on. Let us check in other way. I am turning on the light touch sensor, but I am turning off the light sensor so that LED is turned off. So like this, in a combination of two sensors, we can turn on LED or any other output device. You can try out the combination of sensors, but never use the IR sensor in combination with any other, because IR sensors will always give negative signal, whether remaining sensors will give positive signal output.